My name is Austin Smith, VP of Sales and Marketing of Automate My Facility. Since 2019, we have been a subsidiary of Velis Real Estate, an international prop tech company founded in 2009. We offer an autonomous cellular network of sensors for the ultimate level of sensor monitoring. With our self-diagnostic wireless sensors, we provide real-time indoor air quality monitoring and equipment operations monitoring to deliver advanced notifications from predicting failure to equipment breakdowns. Velis has been instrumental in providing us the ability to make our IoT sensor reporting data actionable with a Singu FM platform. This platform has taken our cloud-based data from SMS and email messaging notifications to mobile service ticket tracking and reporting of equipment repair and maintenance on the Singu FM new service level agreement module, just one of the many modules that address facility needs.